Let's talk a little bit about the catalyst for this weakness in crypto. China cracking down and leading to a massive plunge in the price of Bitcoin over the past 24 hours. The country responsible for 75% of crypto mining is now further banning financial institutions from providing any services related to digital currencies. Our Eunice Yoon is live in Beijing for us right now with more on this story. Hi, Eunice.
Hey, Kelly. Well, the hashtag Crypto World Crushed is trending right now on Chinese social media, with a lot of investors trying to determine just how aggressive Beijing will get to try to cool off the cryptocurrency craze. Beijing reiterated its guidelines to financial firms as well as online payment providers, saying that they should not engage in direct and indirect crypto businesses. And at the same time, though, Alipay, WeChat, as well as the other banks are still being allowed to work with crypto exchanges that had been banned and then relocated offshore years ago. So that's being read here as a sign that this is more of a warning by Beijing and not a full-blown crackdown. Now, China heavily restricts most crypto activities, but it does tolerate regular people owning cryptocurrencies, digital tokens, of course. And there's a lot of gray area here. So people use technical workarounds to get onto those cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance as well as Huobi, very popular here. The Chinese, though, have been feeling the pain of the crypto losses. There have been several local media reports. One of them was interesting, saying that in the past 24 hours, hundreds of thousands liquidated their positions, that some investors have been panicking after their sales transaction requests were rejected, but then those were that was only a momentary problem, and that the single biggest recorded loss is $67 million. So, general consensus here, though, Kelly, is that for the most part, again, that this is really seen more as a warning, but there is a lot of bad language being used, mainly directed at Elon Musk, though, not so much at the government.
Interesting point, Eunice. Real quickly, we talk about Bitcoin as kind of the crypto barometer, but is that the most popular, the most liquid one in China?
Crypto or Bitcoin? Did you say Bitcoin?
Yeah, is Bitcoin the most kind of important crypto for a lot of the Chinese public right now?
Well, I think it's probably the same as what you'd see overseas, which is that Bitcoin is seen as a standard, but at the same time, there have been a lot of other, there's been a lot of interest in some of the other digital tokens. For example, one tech executive that I spoke to said that that one of the street stall hawkers who he was talking to was asking him for tips on Dogecoin. So there is a lot of awareness about all of these different cryptocurrencies, and I think that's one of the big reasons why we're seeing this clampdown now, because of the fact that there has been so much concern that people have been using gray channels that exist here to get money out of the country in order to take bigger risks and get into some of these more speculative trades.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.